Welcome back to Chapter 5, Chemical Changes, Section 5.7, Neutralization and the pH Scale. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to explain why solutions are acidic or alkaline, explain how to use universal indicator or a wide range indicator to measure the approximate pH of a solution, and finally explain how to use the pH scale to identify acidic or alkaline solutions. Let's discuss first neutralization and the pH scale. First of all, we know that when you dissolve a substance in water, you make an aqueous solution, as happens when the washing powder is in the washing machine. Whether the solution is formed as acidic, alkaline, or neutral, it depends on the substance you have dissolved. A solution of washing powder is slightly alkaline. So it depends on the substance that is dissolved that we can know if it's acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Soluble hydroxides are called alkalis. Their solutions are alkaline. An example is sodium hydroxide solution, which is NaOH. Bases, which include alkalis, they are substances that can neutralize acids. Metal oxides and metal hydroxides are bases. Examples include iron oxide and copper hydroxide, which are both insoluble in water. Acids include citric acid, sulfuric acid, and ethanoic acid. All acids taste very sour, although many acids are far too dangerous to put in your mouth. Ethanoic acid, which is found in vinegar, and citric acid, which is found in citrus fruit and fizzy drinks. And these acids are very weak enough to be edible. That's why we can eat them, because they are very weak acids. One acid that you use in science labs is hydrochloric acid, which is the HCl. This is formed when the gas hydrogen chloride dissolves in water. So whenever the gas hydrogen chloride dissolves in water, it produces H+ ions and Cl- ions. All acids release H+ ions into solution when added to water. It is these excess H+ ions that make a solution acidic. Because alkalis are bases that dissolve in water and form solutions, they are the bases often used in experiments. Sodium hydroxide solution is often found in school labs, and you get sodium hydroxide solution when you dissolve sodium hydroxide, solid sodium hydroxide in water, and it will produce Na+ and OH- ions. All alkalis form aqueous hydroxide ions, which are the OH- ions, when added to water. It is these excess OH- ions that make a solution alkaline.